Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button to get notified every time I post a new video. And give me a thumbs up and like the video as well. In this video, I'm going to be doing a replacing or changing out of the oxygen sensor. And this is the Upstream oxygen sensor. You can see it there in the engine compartment. And you will need a tool, this here, to replace it. And they loan these out at the local auto parts store. I got this one on loan from O'Reilly Auto Parts close by. And then I just showed the oxygen sensor as well. And I'll put the part number and everything on there. So let's see the reason I'm replacing it. Just gonna do a quick diagnostic on it. Okay, so the engine light did come on, and I put in a diagnostic tool and it gives me that P0132. And you can see the oxygen sensor. And this is the high voltage on sensor 1, which is the Upstream, the one I showed recently. And let me see what happens if you go down. Okay, the coolant thermostat temperature. Okay, that's below. That's because it's cold, I'm guessing, but I'll check that later. Yeah, there it is, bank 1, sensor 1. That's the P0132. That's for the oxygen sensor. That's the coolant. I'll deal with that later. So on this one here, let me see if I click on Code Connect. It does not do that, but it just tells you what's defective. So that's the reason I'm going to replace the oxygen sensor. And like I said, this is the Upstream oxygen sensor, and they list it as the sensor 1. And then they also have it as bank 1, sensor 1. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so the first step is you remove the negative battery terminal connector for the battery. And then this is the adapter here. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. And basically place it over it. And then you remove it with the socket. So let me go ahead and do that. But first you disconnect it here. You can see the wire leading up to it. And then loosen it up. Okay, so here's the new oxygen sensor. And you can see the old one is already removed. And then also, I don't know if you can see the connection there, that black tab. That's where you would hook it up so it won't move. It's kind of hard to show it with one hand, but that's the connector there. That connects to the black tab. And then that's the one that connects to the connection on top right there. So let me go ahead and do that. And then also, let me see. You can see how it has the anti-seize lotion already on there, or grease. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, and then after hand tightening the sensor, you just tighten it a little bit more with the tool. And then here's the connection here that I was talking about. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. But you can see the black connector there. Slide it through, and then it clicks. Let me get this one, and then there it is. You just plug this one back in until it clicks as well. And then that's it. And go ahead and then give it a test drive, and everything should be good. Thanks for checking out the YouTube channel. Leave me any comments or questions, and I'll get back to them as soon as I can. Thank you.